Welcome back to the Gluten-Free Maven. Today we will be opening an adult coconut. So let's get into it. Before I get started, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell.
It's cracking. It's crack-a-lacking.
Let me see. Is that all crack over there?
The top is cracking off. Ow. That kind of hurt. Okay. Oh. That didn't work so well.
Yeah.
Coconut opened. It was kind of tough, but we did it. Got the coconut out of its shell. We washed out the coconut, we peeled the coconut, and it's almost ready to serve after we just cut it up and make it look nice and pretty. The coconut is ready to serve, and we're gonna try it.
It's like coconut.
It kind of has the feeling of eating coconut flakes, but it doesn't have much taste. I don't mind it. It also has this texture on the outside that is not so pleasant, and that is us opening a coconut. Thank you for watching the Gluten-Free Maven and us opening a coconut. Bye for now, and make sure to check out all our other videos. Thank you for watching the Gluten-Free Maven and us opening a coconut. Bye for now, and make sure to check out all our other videos.